Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can run Labelizer script and use it in the shopping campaigns. So let's create a script in your Google Ads section. Go to Tools, Scripts and create a new script here. Once the script is created, go to Labelizer link and copy the script and paste it here. Once you paste the script here, you need to make a copy of the dashboard sheet. So it's the dashboard sheet link. Make a copy. Now I will copy the dashboard sheet link and paste it in the script here. Before you run the script, you need to do two things. First, you have to configure the dashboard sheet, and second, you have to authorize the script. So let's configure the dashboard sheet first. It has a configuration sheet. Go to configurations, and here you can see a bunch of settings for the script. So you have to know your break-even number. For example, I've given this as a 2.5 at the moment, and if you want to exclude brand data, make it true or make it false, it's up to you. Post threshold is a product with a less engagement. It has a separate performance label. Days ago, how many days data you're looking for, how many days you want to skip the conversion lag data. Feed label is the most important one. If you have a Canada, make it CA. If you have a UK, make it a GB. If you have a Australia, make it a AUS. So it's up to you in which country you're working in. So product type level, I normally choose it 1. It has a 5 level if you implement it in your shopping feed. So it's up to you which one you want to use for the reporting. Leap product type custom label. It's actually the leap label for product type. You can choose from 0 to 5. It's up to your labels. If you have used any custom labels in your sheet, leap custom label, it's the leap label performance bucketing label. Another option is product item IDs case. So basically I've noticed some accounts has uppercase IDs, some has smaller, and some has the default from Shopify variants. It's like if you have a Shopify, go with the default, but still look into your shopping IDs in your merchant center. So I'm in a Google Shopping merchant center. So here you can see the product IDs. Here you can see the capital letters here. So if you have a product ID like this, go with the default. If that GB is a small, you have to go with the small option in the configuration sheet. Another option is supplementary feed. If you want to push the labels to Merchant Center, if you have already supplementary feed for custom labels, paste that link here and you're good to go. If you don't have a sub feed, you have to create a new one. Just type sheet.new and it will create a new sheet for you. Copy that sheet link, paste it in the configuration sheet here. Another option is exclude sale times. If you want to exclude sale times, make it true and give your dates and it will ignore that data that comes in those dates. If you don't want to exclude the sale times, just make it false. So the sheet is now configured. Let's run the script. Before you run the script, you have to authorize it first. So let's authorize the script first. That option disappeared, but let me run the script. It will ask for the authorization again. It's already did. So let's authorize the script first. Allow it. So the script is now authorized. Let's run the script and wait for the results. And I'm now pausing the video once it's finished and I will be back. So the script is running, but when you see this message exporting overtime data now, this means the labelizer has done its work, but it's now exporting the overtime data to the sheet. At this point, you can analyze your performance bucketing labels in the sheet, like on the dashboard. You can now analyze your bucketing here at this point. But if you want to look inside your overtime data, you have to wait for the script to finish completely. So the script is successfully executed, and as you can see, total rows exported that much. And now we can go to the dashboard template here. So as you can see the performance bucketing data and overtime data. If you go through all the charts, you will see data for everything. Let me show you that sub feed. So that link I pasted for the supplementary feed that is also populated. Let me show you. So as you can see, the sub feed is populated automatically. So what I will do is connect this supplementary feed to the merchant center. So I'm gonna show that in a while. Let's connect it. So now I'm in Google Merchant Center next, and I will connect that supplementary feed to Merchant Center. If you want to go to your supplementary feeds, click on the view data sources. Here we have a supplementary sources, and try to add a new supplementary feed. Use Google Sheets here and choose an existing template. So here is untitled spreadsheet that I created, and I will insert it here. Now I will click the continue and it will be connected to the merchant center. There is a one step more you can do after that. Now I'm not going to connect at the moment because I already have, and I will show you the next part after on my original supplementary feed. So I have this supplementary feed for Leap Labelizer. So as you can see, once it's connected, after the continue, you are going to press that update button, and you are going to wait for a while, and you will see these product data here. So there is an error here, offer doesn't exist. So these are the products that are out of stock or deleted from the shopping center. Don't worry about them, because once the product is out of stock or deleted, it will still be on Google Shopping for a while. Maybe it will be permanently deleted for after 7 days, maybe for some time it will be there, so you will see that data too. But still, when you try to match it, it will only match those data that is already present in the merchant center. So once you fetch the data, you will see these changes in the all product listings. Let's verify it in the all product section. So when I scroll right, so you have to customize your labels here. It's like modify column, and you will see all the labels here. Once the labels are appeared on your products, now you can wait for a 30-minute or a 40-minute to show those labels in a Google Ad account. So you will have to wait for 40 minutes or 45 minutes. After that, you can create your campaign based on those labels. But I already have a campaigns on those, but I will try to create a new one just for the example. So let's go to Google Ad account. In Google Ads, try to create a campaign. If you want to create a standard shopping or a performance max, it's up to you, but I will try to create a standard shopping campaign. Create a new campaign here, choose without guidance. I will go with the shopping campaign. I will give it a purchase, and try to choose your feed label. If you have too many labels, make it a standard shopping. Give it a name. I will be creating a dummy campaign, so I don't care about the names or anything or bidding strategies, anything. So let's create it. Give it a budget 50. Once the campaign is created, go to your ad group, click on the ad group, and pick the label from all the products here. So I will pick a label. So I've choose a custom label too for the performance marketing labels. So if I want to run a bestseller campaign, I will pick elites, regulars, and climbers. So they are the product with the high conversion history, and I will pause this one. So this is the first campaign for the performance bucketing label. If you want to create all the campaigns, so to move the product automatically among campaigns, you have to create other campaigns too, like for strugglers and sleepers. But this is the process you can replicate for every performance bucketing label. So once you created all the campaigns for performance bucketing, there is a last thing you have to do to schedule the script and your supplementary feed. To schedule a script, you have to go to your scripts again, and so this one. So you have to schedule it here. You have to schedule the script before your shopping supplementary feed. So schedule it. Let's say if I want to schedule it at 10 to 11. Now I will schedule supplementary feed to fetch. Once the script runs, it will process all the data. You will have the labels in your supplementary feed. Now it's time to refetch your supplementary feed, and you can do that by go to your Labelizer supplementary feed data source and schedule it here. Once you do that, all your process is automated now. So what it will do, you can schedule the script daily, on a weekly or a monthly base. It's up to you. So what will happen, first your script will runs, it will process the data, and it will make labels for you. In the merchant center, your supplementary feed will refetch that data, and it will send that data back to Google Ads. So everything will be automated for you if you implement things exactly I've showed you. I hope I've explained enough to understand. Still, I find it difficult to make a videos, but still I made it. So I hope you guys find it valuable, and I hope it works for you guys. Thank you.